Hi guys, welcome to new video. This video is going to be very beneficial for you. If someone puts a knife in this position on your neck and threatens you, then what should you do here? Guys, this technique you can apply when you practice it a lot of time, because if you don't have a practice and you don't have a speed, then you can't apply this technique. So let's start the video. If someone comes to you and puts a knife to your neck, guys, you have seen many videos on YouTube, but the technique we are going to teach you is different from the other technique and very beneficial. So if the person threatens you, guys, now step number 1, you will grab his wrist from here. Guys, watch very carefully how I will fold his arm and stab him with his knife. Step number 1, I will grab his wrist like this, and now second hand here. Watch again, I will do 2 steps at once, like this position. You can watch, you can see the knife position. Now I will cut his neck with his knife and fold his arm and rotating his body. Now he is fully under our control. Guys, now I will show you this technique from the other side. When he puts a knife and threatens you, first you feel, you realized him, you are threatened by him. Now quickly fold his arm and cut his neck like this position. Now rotating his body and control him like this way. Guys, now we'll do it in fast motion. Yes. Guys, hope you like this video, and if you want to learn this technique, then you have to practice a lot of time this step. This one, yeah, you can see this. A lot of practice. If you have a lot of practice and you can do with speed, then you can apply this technique. So guys, if you want to learn more interesting videos, then subscribe our channel and share our video with your friends and press the bell icon. Thank you.